The question is not, should we use the pumpkin? It's how we use the pumpkin. So today, we're gonna make delicious pumpkin scones. First, we're gonna put in all our flour. In goes the white sugar, in goes the brown sugar. We are going to give this a mix. Put in our rising agent, and then we have our butter, and you're just gonna take little blobs. Save this for later, I'll show you why. This is the amazing roasted pumpkin, and this is when we're gonna slowly add in buttermilk. That's it. Here we go. I told you to save this, and that is how to butter everything super easily. See? Perfect. I personally love a delicious scone with cafe au laits. I wish you could smell it. It definitely smells like the holidays.